Hey guys, another recipe because we are cooking, we love the cooking, and that's why we are cooking. For my friends today, I'm going to cook this cottage pie. Do you know cottage pie? I think you already know. All right. This cottage pie is gonna be the meat sauce with tomatoes and lots of vegetable, and on the top is gonna be the mashed potato. So first of all, we're going to make a base. But before the base, actually, I'm going to put the potatoes boil because I need mashed potato, and people and kids and all around the world, people, they love the mashed potato. That's why, first of all, potato, base, meat sauce, bake it, and that's gonna be all. Okay, so we've got those chopped potatoes, chop pieces like this. If you want to boil fast and your potato you need actually cook so fast, just make it small pieces. So put potatoes straight away into cold water. It's much better and it's actually basic. Okay, like this. Little bit salt. I got the beef mincemeat because cottage pie is from the beef. Okay, so we're going to wait until the base is going to be done. We're going to add the meat, a little bit salt, pepper, a little bit of red wine. Just close it, fast boil, and the base as a meat sauce is going to be ready. I have this meat, mincemeat straight away in it. I'm going to help a little bit of oil, olive oil. Nice. Your food is almost done. Okay, let's see how I'm going to put that into the oven. Wine, decanted the wine, nice color. We combine with the food like this. You can see it. Oh, the cottage pie, nicely baked, not too much sauce, not dry, and the baked mashed potato on top. Give the spoon, serve, everyone can eat it, and please, cheers for you. I'm not drinking too much, but this wine is awesome. Anyway, enjoy this show, guys. Enjoy the food. Hopefully you're going to use this easy recipe, and please subscribe. Try hard. Food Atelier and my cooking show by David Valicek. Nice to meet you, everyone. Guys, take care and see you later.